Hello and welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can access Microsoft Office suite and its different applications on your mobile devices, on your laptop or desktop, on any platform, whether it is Windows, Mac or Linux, and it is free of cost. You just need a working internet connection and a web browser, and on Android you have a dedicated app. So you know that Microsoft Office application suite is a paid software. You have to pay for it. Uh, the latest one, that is Office 365 or Office 2019, is a paid subscription based paid Office suite. And moreover, in Linux operating systems, Microsoft Office suite is incompatible. So you cannot install MS Office on Linux. There are workarounds, but they don't work really well. So for those who work on Linux and want the same compatibility of their Office documents, they can use this online software to create documents and to share them. Now they may have LibreOffice as a free Office alternative, which works quite well, but sometimes it isn't compatible with the Microsoft Office suite. So you can create documents on Linux, on Mac, on Windows using this online software suite, and you can then edit it in your local product like MS Office on your desktop, on your laptop, on your Linux machine or your Windows machine or your Mac machine or your Android phone. So just you need to go to office.com. So once it opens up, you can see you can use most of the popular tools to create your documents like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, OneDrive, Outlook, Teams. So all these products are available. Now there is a premium option to buy this. Now if you do not want to buy it, you can try it for free. Some of the tools inside these software pieces will be limited because you are using it for free, but most of the cases it is more than sufficient to create your documents in Word, Excel and PowerPoint. You can use Outlook Express to send emails, to see your calendars, to organize things. You can use the OneDrive to share your documents over to different uh, platforms, to different devices like mobile, tablets, or laptops, desktops, anywhere in the world. So for this, you need a email ID, or you can log in with your Microsoft account. You can use your Gmail account. So just you need to sign up for the free version of the Office. Just follow the prompts. So in here, the next page occurs to create an account. You can use your old account, like you have a Gmail account, or you have an Outlook Express account, you have a Microsoft account, you have a Yahoo Mail account. You can use those mail accounts here and click on next. They will ask you for your name, your password, etc. And then you will be able to log in. Now I already have an account created, so I will just show you by signing in. Just need to put your email account here, then click next. Then it will ask for password and click on keep me signed in so that you do not have to sign in again. Okay, then click sign in. And after login, you will have the full Office suite available to you. So you have different types of apps here. You have Skype, you have Calendar, you have Family Safety, To-Do List, you have OneNote, OneDrive, Outlook Express, and the three most popular softwares, that is Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. For most of the people, these three are the main software pieces they require for office, colleges, schools, etc. So just click on this icon and you can see there are different types of templates. You can download more templates. You can upload a document from your local computer or your mobile, or you can search for it on a OneDrive if you have saved it in your OneDrive account. Next, you can click on new documents. So once it has loaded up all the toolbars and all the tabs, just like it is in the desktop version of this Office suite, so everything will be loaded in a few seconds and then you can work on your document. For example, let's type this. So it will auto save your document to your OneDrive account, and you can select in which drive you can save it, or you can download this file if you want to share it to someone using your email account, or you want to download it, you can do so here. If you want to send a link to someone, you can add their email ID here, or you can take a copy of the link and share the link to anywhere. Then in your file option, you can save as the document. You can download a copy, you can create a PDF from here, you can download as a ODT. For Linux users, this is very helpful. If you download this in an ODT, open document text format, then you can edit it in LibreOffice even more. So it will have a much more compatibility than direct Microsoft Office documents. If you open it in LibreOffice, it may or may not show properly. But if you download it as a ODT and then open it up in LibreOffice, it will be much more compatible. Or you can directly download the copy and use it as a PDF also. You can directly print from here, you can share from here, just like you would do in an actual desktop version of the Office suite. So let's now move on to Android, and I will show you how you can use the same software as an app in your mobile device. So for using the Microsoft Office online suite on your mobile devices in Android, you can go to Play Store, search for Office, and you will get this result: Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint and more. And also alternatively, you can install Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint separately, but this is the main application in which you will get all these extensions, in which you can create Word document, you can create and view Excel documents, you can create and view PowerPoint slideshows, you can also create notes, to-do lists, etc. So you just need to install this and open it. Once you open it, you will get a login screen, and you need to log in to your account. As I showed you, you have to create an account, and using a Gmail account or any email ID, or you can create a customized Microsoft account, that is the Outlook account, and you can then go to the plus symbol, and here you can see there are notes, Lens and Word, Excel, PowerPoint documents. So if you go to notes, it will take you to OneNote. If you take Lens, that will go to Microsoft One Lens, and Word, Excel, PowerPoint, you can click on here and you can see, you can scan the text, you can scan the table, you can dictate your text document, you can create templates, PowerPoint slideshows, everything. Okay, so let's create a document here. So here you can write anything and you will get all the features here. You can click on home, you can see all the tabs that are present in the online suite, that is also present here. So that is the reason why this is very useful, and this is also of course free of cost. Then you can export it as a PDF or print to any Wi-Fi printer. You can save it, you can share it. So all these features are there. So these documents are automatically synced to your OneDrive account. So you can see that the document I created in the online suite in my computer, that is showing here. You can click on that You can see this is Microsoft 360 Online that I edited in my desktop. So this also you can save it and you can edit it here, and when you log in to your online account of Microsoft Office in your computer, that same document will be showing there and it will be ready for editing. So this is how you can use the Microsoft Office suite free of cost and in any platform. So that's all for today. I hope that this will help you a lot, those people who want a office suite working and do not want to pay up for that software, so you can use it freely. So thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe my channel and turn on the bell notification to know about more such tips, tricks and DIY videos. Till next video, stay tuned. Goodbye.